Okay, to do our syrups, we're going to place them into these little canisters. Usually the night before we'll have use first quarts that'll be labeled with each of the syrups, so we obviously want to use those before we use our big supply. These are just going to fill up the canister all the way until the fill line. If you're using a syrup that has kind of sediment at the bottom, you're going to want to make sure to not put that sediment in. So instead of shaking it up, you kind of pour the part that isn't sludgy into the canister. Alright, that's pretty well full. Then I'm going to take my top to the canister. This has a little O-ring here for sealing purposes. Put that on. We're going to kind of dip it in, turn it over, and then push this down. It's really important to make sure this part is aligned when you're putting this down, because it's what keeps the pressure in the canister, and if this isn't on correctly, then the syrup won't come out of the machine. And then we can hook it up. It will get hooked up here under this little shelf. You'll see in here that we have the syrups labeled, and obviously we're doing the mint one. So I'm going to grab the two lines attached to the mint. I'm going to pull up this bolt here, like this. This is the smaller tube, so I'm going to put that onto the smaller part on top. And I'm just going to kind of spin it until I feel it go down, and then I can let go of this sheath. And we're going to do the same thing with the bigger one. And then you're all attached.